Hey, hi team. Happy to meet you guys again. Yeah, today we're going to see something like recent times I was wonder about Google Antigravity. So I feel like it's a typical replacement for cursor. That's what I felt. So I like to show you how we can use Google Antigravity and what and all we can do with that. Yeah, I'm just like now A wins A, like technically cursor A with the Google Gravity, Anti-Gravity. I don't know what they're doing it, but it's crazy to fun around with this AIs. Okay, let's. This is a website where you can go to download this particular for Mac or Windows, whatever you wanted. Good thing here is like pricing, right? They are providing zero for individual, and they give access to best model in the world where like Claude and Gemini 3 Pro. That's good thing, and they have giving generous late limit. That's the best thing about it. So let me go back. Yeah, this is Anti-Gravity Studio. So if you click this, it will ask for open folder or open agent manager and clone a repo. So I'm going to open a folder, create it like YouTube HR model. So see, technically I'm going to create one HR document digital selling website. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, before going to do that, let's see what and all option this particular anti-gravity have it. Here if you see, it's a like agent, and then you have a editor mode here. So if you see, switch to agent manager, code with the agent, edit code inline. So technically switch to agent manager is nothing but where you will have only conversation. You can do the conversation here, and you can choose your project exactly, and you do the conversation. It will generate the app for you. Or if you want to use open editor, this is like where you have an agent, and then you can see the code. And this is nothing but edit using your bare holy hands. That's what all three, right? So technically you have a control on your manual, or if you want agent and code, you can do. Other one is like fully agent mode. So today I'm going to use here Gemini 3. So see, they are providing these all models for us to use it here to develop the application. I'm using Gemini 3 Pro High, so it will be a little faster. And we have something called planning mode and fast. Planning mode, it always try to plan it and generate the application. And the fast, we have like it just code just like that. So yeah, so we're going to do here quickly create HR digital product selling website. Okay, so I'm going to hit it. See, it's going to take a couple of tasks. It may take some time, but there is a cutting going to happen. So let's see how it's go. So I just hit it. So it's trying to generate the plan. Let's wait how it's generating the plan. So it is analyze the prompts. Now if you see thought for less than a second, and it analyze something. I think it's trying to generate the considering the project start. Oh, okay, let's see what it bring to the table. So let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, see, now if you see here, right, it bring up the plan. So install, setup, create a global CSS, import navbar, import hero, product listing, footer component, verify application runs and looks good. So it's asking experimental. I just give S proceed. Yeah, so I just given this to install all the necessary models, so that so it will install the dependencies and what and all needed here, right? So yeah, I think it's pulled off. So it is generating something. So let's see while we do. It's a dummy app, right? Let's see this dummy app what is trying to run. Okay, it just React app it just generated. Yeah, I go back here again, right? It's trying to see something. What process to enter, show help. It have a template now. I'm not sure what it's trying to do. Waiting for command to complete. It's up to 60 seconds. Okay, so not sure, it's trying to do something behind the scene. Let's see what it will happen. Now if you see, initialize white and React project is done. This guy is trying to do set up components and global CSS is done. So now it's running the other things where navbar. So it's trying to do the navbar. Yeah, this guy is quickly doing the work. So if you see, this is like a task, and it has an implementation plan. These are all the implementation plan it have. Crazy guy. Okay, let me go back here. So it's trying to generate the navbar component. I think it's still, oh, it's done. Now it's going for hero, implementing the hero component. If you see one by one, right, it's doing the implementation here. Crazy stuff, yeah. So let's see what will run. So it's actually doing the navbar component too now. Hero is done. Now it's going for the product listing section. So let's see what will happen for that. It's pulling up products, I think, to define. That's good. I'll be faster. I like to see this. What is how? Oh, nice here. We have a algation with a splash. That's a good thing. Let me go back to the task one, so I see what exactly it is. Product listing also done. Now it's going for implement footer component. I think it's a cakewalk. It can be quickly implement the footer component. Let's see how this goes. I think considering the layout for that, okay. So then you're implementing the footer. That's nice. Come on, the last option. Okay, I think it's like quicker than anything. Wow, footer is done. Now it's trying to verify application runs looks good or not. So assembling the pages and routing. Wow, it's setting the home, shop, app. That's nice. The task. Wow, it's crazy stuff. It's trying to run it actually. Yeah, this is the part, right? So I'm going to this is the overall HR part. If you see HR digital, and then shops, what are the okay. So anyway, before going to that, see it pulled up the browser automatically. It will verify and take a screenshot actually. So if you see this, right, it's trying to open your browser and wait for 5 seconds. Technically, it's trying to get is really application is running, is product list is happening, everything. It will take a screenshot. That's what it is, like verify application runs and looks good. It's a crazy feature, right? You have a unit tester, you don't need to test anything. This guy will take care of your testing also. So if you see here, right, so it's all screenshotted, like crazy stuff I ever seen in any of the agent editor. It's like blow my mind. That's what, like, I was crazy how the hell these guys can able to do this kind of beautiful tool. Initially we thought Google going to die in AI, but I'm feeling like they will release slowly, but when they release, it's a crazy. That's what I felt. So yeah, that's okay, fine. But yeah, so if you see here, right, everything is there. Like, I think agent is controlling, so I can't do anything. But anyway, I'll go and show in my particular browser. See this whole thing, right? See, my header is done, shop is done, shop, everything is there. If I add cart, I think cart and this thing not at, like, I told too much crazy, right? It's the basic things is ready within, like, few prompts, right? That to few minutes. That's what I like. So I think it's rendering, verifying the outcomes. See, I confirm the website functionality looks good. Great news. My next move to draft. Okay. The good thing is it draft the working walkthrough folder also. Just accepted it. So it's a crazy stuff, right? So when you're done, it automatically ran the respective website without much thing. So this is what blew my mind. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. We'll see other features of other tools upcoming days. Thanks for watching it. Bye bye.